Okay, guys. Quick update on BC. I want to share an update on BC. We've been playing it for a while, but there's a new interface on BC, so I deemed it fit for me to do a new video for those that are not able to understand the old video. Now, this is my homepage on BC, and want to play the crash signals, the crash game here on BC. It's a casino game. So what you do is you come down to the bottom middle here where you see casino. Now the one important thing about this signal is that if you want to play with us, make sure your BC account is registered on my link. My link will be attached to this video. So when you're done watching, click on the link and register your account. So I'm going to click on the bottom middle, the casino there, and you're going to see crash on the BC originals. Click on crash, and yes. Now you're going to set your amount, the amount you want. I'm going to go with 10,000, and I'd already do my analysis for this period. And let's say this particular one's supposed to enter. I've done my analysis. That's why I'm doing the video now, because I've done my analysis properly and I know we're going to win. So you see, I set my auto cash out. It's important for you to set your auto cash out so that in case network is playing tricks, or network wants to play tricks on you, you already set your auto cash out. So when you get to that particular time, to just cash out automatically for you, just like now. You see, 10k don't turn 15k. That's all they do. Maybe like say na magic or anything. I'm going to play the next one too. This round should exhaust. I'm going to play the next round. Observe my balance. I'm going to leave everything like this. Observe my balance. I want to play. I'm going to pause the video first because this one might go so high. I don't do my analysis. It might go so high. So I'm going to play the next one and pause the video so it doesn't get so long. Okay, this one don't end. So we are still going to win the next one. May I just say no be play something. We set the auto cash out on 1.5 amount 10k. So one important thing is I'll be dropping signal like I say. So all you have to do is wait for the signals, check for the time I say you should play, check for the cash out I say you should put it on, and that's it. You see, just like that. I don't turn 20k to 30k in minutes, in less than 5 minutes. So no time to waste. Signals will be coming up shortly. Go and register your account with my link. Click on the link and register your account. If you don't register your account with my link, if you no work for you, you see, we would they win, your own, you know, good they win. So click on the link, register your account. See, I don't play this one. I see, it's what happened there. I don't don't use my signals play. When I tell you to play, go play them. If I tell you no play. You get why? So go and get ready. Deposit as high as possible. This my 30k now. They take out a million naira. You go see them now. More they go. Yeah, I go they play, no time to waste. Go and get ready. Signals will be coming up shortly. Let's make money now.